The Ramban writes in Sha'ar HaGemul something very interesting, where he says that what is the meaning of the verse in Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 14 that says God has made this corresponding to this. The Ramban writes, it means that He created the righteous and He created the wicked. He created Gan Eden and He created Gehenom. Each person has two portions, one in Gan Eden and one in Gehenom. If the righteous man is meritorious, he takes his own portion of reward, meaning he goes to his Olam HaBa, and the portion of his friend to Gan Eden. The wicked man, on the other hand, who's guilty, however, takes his portion of punishment, all the punishment for what he did, and the portion of his friend to Gehenom. So Chazal says, what does it mean? Why is he, if he's righteous, why does he get two Gan Edens? And if he's wicked, he gets two Gehenoms. He gets punished for himself and for his friend. How come? Says, if he's righteous, he did TeShuva, he stopped sinning. What did he also do? He did Kiruv. He helped somebody else do TeShuva. What if that guy didn't want to do it? He told his friend, listen, I heard Rabbi Reuven says, no Shabbat, no Olam HaBa. His friend says, how about this? You and this rabbi, you guys go fly kite. I'm going to go back and do whatever I want. I'm going to do whatever I want. No Shabbat for me. Ramban says, no problem. You did Kiruv. You tried telling him. He didn't want to listen. Guess what? His Olam HaBa goes to you. Because you're righteous, you did TeShuva, his Olam HaBa goes to you. And the Gehenom you were supposed to get goes to him. Another reason why it's worth to do Kiruv. Why? You win either way. You win either way. If he does TeShuva, you get 310 more worlds. But if he doesn't, you still get his. Why? Because now, even though it says, Kol Yisrael yesh lahem chelek le'olam haba, all of Am Yisrael have a share of the world to come, meaning they all have a place in Olam HaBa designated for them. But if they do not fulfill the rules, they don't follow the rules, they don't keep Shabbat, they don't keep Tarat Mishpacha, they don't keep all of the major laws, they keep making sins of karet, and don't do TeShuva, what happens to this Olam HaBa? They can't go to them. The ticket won't work. So where does it go? It goes to any person that helped them, at least tried to help them do TeShuva. Goes to their friend. That's who's your friend. Someone that rebukes you.